Welcome to Jurassic World Toy Hunt here. We have a couple new toys here I'm going to show you, but this week is Jurassic World 20% off. I'm at a different Target here. It's from 82 to 88. This Target got almost all the toys here, fully stocked here. So this super colossal Dinosaurus Rex is $74.99. So with the 20% off, it will be $59.99 here. So you save $15. So this super colossal Dinosaurus Rex here is $15 off. It's $74.99 original price. It is $59.99 here because it's 20% off this week. All Jurassic World toy. This Target also had the new Jurassic World INDOMINUS Rex collection. It's $59.99. The other store was not. It was gone in like 5 minutes. So this I can do a full review on this one here. There's the Hammond collection INDOMINUS Rex here. It will look like on the box here. The detail of the tongue and the box is pretty cool. Let me see. Here's the side view of the box here. After the INDOMINUS Rex escaped from her enclosure, a failed mission to contain the shocking view that she's ripped off her own tracking device and has the ability to camouflage. So this is the Jurassic World Hammond collection INDOMINUS Rex here. That's what it looked like. It also had the damage on the skin here. So this one, like I said, look like here on texture. So everything's hard and plastic. It's very detailed here. Like I said, it's $59.99, and with the let me see, with the discount, let me scan for you. It's gonna be, yeah, with the discount, it's gonna be $47.99 here. Jurassic World Hammond collection INDOMINUS $47.99. So this came out this week, so it's a must buy. If you want this INDOMINUS Rex, get it on discount. You can never get this on discount. These Hammond collections is very hard to get a discount. So get this for like I said, $47.99 regularly, $59.99 is $47.99 here, only at Target right now. And also this came out a week ago, Tyrannosaurus Rex all-terrain capture here with the all-terrain vehicle, a T-Rex with the trap, and a shooting gun with the character here. And this one is, let me see, $53.99, but you can see the character. I think the guy's name's back here. There he is. It's Nick Van Owen here. There's Nick Van Owen. Don't forget the Jurassic World Play app. The scans on the bottom of the T-Rex foot here. And they got a launching gun here too. So this one here is $53.99. So let's go to the app and see what it is. Yeah, so it's now from $53.99, it's $43.19. So anything $53.99 is $43.19. Like this Colossal CHOMP GIGANOTOSAURUS is $53.99. So this will be, oh, this is no, it's $49.99. So this is mispriced. So it will be $39.99, $10 off. So this is not $53.99, it's $49.99. So this would be $39.99. This is probably the cheapest I've seen for this GIGANOTOSAURUS here. So this is $49.99. This real feel Indoraptor is going to be $30. $30.39. So it's gonna be $30.39. Let me try it again. Yes, $30.39 for this reimagined Indoraptor here. So everything's 20% off. This is gonna be $41.49. The electronic reel feel here. $59 to be $41.49. So this will be $30.39 to the Jurassic World Claire and GYROSPHERE skate pack. It's gonna be $37.99 original. It's gonna be $30.39. And this to the gigantic Thrasher. It's $26.99. I'm sorry, it's $26.99. And take let me see, about $6 off. It's gonna be $20.99 here. Leo Prodan. So all these toys here, it's gonna be discount. And don't forget, they also have the Rumble and Rampage Distorted Rex here. It's $51.99. Should be on sale too. Let's see the price of this on the bottom. Probably there it is. Yeah, so it's gonna be $43.19. $43.19. There's another new toy here. Don't forget, I forgot about this one. The CHOMP and Carnotaurus here. It's $35.99. This comes out probably the cheapest it is. Gonna, oh yeah, this is cheaper I've seen here. It's $27.99 for the CHOMP Carnotaurus here. Charge and CHOMP Carnotaurus is $27.99 with 20% off here. There's another new toy here. Let me check here for you. It's back here, different aisle. It's these are a new dinosaur toy here for Target here. Let me go around here. Sorry about that. Target's pretty busy. So, see, they also got these Paw Patrol Dino movie Target here. There's a Spinosaurus Rise and Roar Dino set here. This is $26.99. There you go. You can slide down the spine of the Spinosaurus. There it is. $26.99. They also got the Lift and Race Dino play set, Coffee Deluxe here. It's $32.99 here at Target. So this is, it swings from left to right. There it is. This is what it looks like on the back. There's 6 characters you can get here. There it is in live view. This is a Apatosaurus or Bronchosaurus here. They also got these Chase and the Roaring Pup Pals here. It's $21.99 here. Here's a Stegosaurus one, a Spinosaurus one, all $21.99. You got Sky, you got Chase and a Stegosaurus, you got Sky and a Spinosaurus, and you got Marshall. And this one is like a T-Rex here. So they all make noise. There's one more. Here's a T-Rex, sorry. And you also got, you got Ren. You got Rex. I'm sorry, you got Rex. Here you got Rex with a T-Rex. That makes sense. Rex with a T-Rex. And you got Marshall. This look like a Velociraptor, maybe type here. We also have this one here. This is the Roar and Explorer Timmy. Come with a big T-Rex here. It's $42.99 here. Look at that. So push here and it'll roar. So let me push it and see the roar. Pretty good sound. The eyes also move. The eyes close when it go down, opens it there. So all these will make sound too. You shake it and make sound. See it? And the eyes move on these. So the big version, the T-Rex one, is $42.99. Here is the Roar and Explore Timmy. There's Timmy. And the T-Rex does have a sound and got LED lights on the bottom. See it? There you go. These also make sound too. Stegosaurus make sound, Spinosaurus make sound too. And this one, Rise and Dinosaur, Spinosaurus, and also you got the Optosaurus. These are $32.99 for this one, and $26.99 for that one. So it's Paw Patrol, the new Pup Squad Dino crew here. The Paw Patrol, the Dino movie, you know, $15.99 for this one, Pup Squad Dino Control here. So this Dino Control got these new Dinosaur one, and there's one more here. We got the Megasaurus Dino here. Megasaurus Dino. See what's in here? Oh, you get a big removable dinosaur, which is the Brachiosaurus type here. It's 2.5 feet tall, 70 meters or 76 centimeters there. So it's like a inflatable here. There he is. It's $64.99 here, and it comes with the tractor type here. So this new Paw Patrol Dino movie here. Let's go back to the original. So all 20% off. I don't think these Paw Patrol are 20% off. Let me check before I leave. I'm sorry. So let's check these. Paw Patrol one. No, they're not 20% off. See, they're regular price. $21.99. $21.99. So only the Jurassic World toy is 20% off. The Paw Patrol Dinosaur is regular price. So recap here. It's Jurassic World 20% off here, only at Target till August 8th here. So Indominus Rex, electronic real feel, it's $15.99. I'll rather get the Hammond collection better. Look how detailed it is. There's the eye feature, teeth here, Indominus Rex here. It's $59.99. But since this check the price again. Since it's this week only, you can get it for $47.99. So get this new release Indominus Rex for $47.99, 20% off here. So hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.